Hello guys, this is Mr. H. Hey, I wanted to go over a couple examples on how to use a number line to find this when you're adding and subtracting positive and negative integers. All right, so I'm going to start here. Very first thing you do when you're trying to find the sum or difference of positive and negative integers is you always start by going to the first number. So you start at the first number. So in this case, we got a 5, so we're going to start here at 5. Now, here's the key. If the second number has either a minus or a negative, we're going to go to the left, like Beyonce says, to the left, to the left. So if there's a minus sign or if there's a negative sign, we're going to go to the left. Go left. All right, so in this case, we got a -3, so we're going to go left 3. 1, 2, 3. Now we finish at 2. Now that was a pretty simple one, but that's the idea. Okay, let's do another one. So this one is a -5 minus 3. So we're going to start at a -5. And then because there's a minus, we're going to go to the left 3. So 1, 2, 3. So a -5 minus 3 is a -8. So let's look at another one. Now this one is 7 plus a -4. Now, even though there's a plus negative, since there's a negative, we're still going to be going left, right? So we start at the number 7, and because there's a negative, we're going to go to the left 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer is 3. Let's look at another. I'm going to change the color here. So this one is 7 minus 4. So we're going to go to 7. That's where we start. And then, because there's a minus, we're going to go to the left 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer here is 3 again. Now, if you notice, 7 plus a -4 is equal to 3, and also 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. Now, the reason for that is mathematically, 7 minus 4 is the same thing as 7 plus a -4. A minus sign is equivalent to a plus negative. That's why they both end at 3. All right, let's go. Now I'm going to be using a few more numbers, but I want to show you that it's still the same process. We're going to start at 6. So we go here, we start at 6. Now let's cross 6 off. Now plus 3 means we're going to be going to the right, 3. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3. So we finish at 9. Go ahead and cross the 3 off. Change the color. I'm going to use green. Now we got -10. So that means we're going to go to the left 10 times. So we're going to start here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we're at a -1. We can cross that off now. And now we have a plus -2. So because there's a negative there, we're still going to go even more to the left. We're going to go 2 more units. So we're going to start here. We're going to go 1, 2, and we finish at a -3. So we cross that off. Our final answer is a -3. So it doesn't matter how many numbers you have, as long as you go through and you look at the following number and say, does it have a minus or a negative? If it does, go left, otherwise go right. Okay, one more question, one more problem. This is 7 minus a plus 4 plus 6 minus 5. All right, so we're going to start at 7. I'm going to cross that off. And then I'm going to go to the left because there's a minus there. I'm going to go left 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm finishing at 3. I can cross that off, change the colors. Now for the plus 6, I'm going to go back to the right. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So cross that off. And the last one is a -5. So I'm going to use red. And now I'm going to go back to the left 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So my answer, final answer, is 4. I can cross that off. That's the answer. Just be methodical. Look at the next number. If it has a minus or a negative, go left. Otherwise, go to the right. That's the rule. And that's using a number line is really simple to find, to add and subtract integers. I hope this has been helpful, guys.